Guys. The quality for a couple of the videos came out bad, so I'm going to redo them real quick, starting with Dragon Slayer right here. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be refreshing the code as we go along. It's been a little bit since I've worked on some JavaScript, so let's go ahead and reset this code. This is what we're actually going to be creating. If I remember correctly, it's a little bit of like a text-based RPG Dragon Slayer type of thing. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's undo what we're doing here. Alright, so declare and set the following variables. We want to set var slain equal to true, and you hit we want to set that to equal to math.floor math.random times 2. Alright, so what this does is it sets you hit to a random number that's either 0, which JavaScript will read as false, or 1, which JavaScript will read as 2. Okay, and then we'll create the variable damage this round, and we want to set this equal to math.floor math.random and times 5, and if I had times 5 plus 1, so this should be between 1 and 6. No, 1 and 5. That's what it is. And then we want to set our total damage equal to 0. Go ahead and save and submit. Cool. So we basically just created 4 variables. We haven't done anything with them yet. I don't remember what the math.floor is. Math.random is usually math.floor. Can look up. It's probably just something to say start at 0 and go from there. Alright, so let's go ahead and reset this code. Alright, now it wants us to create a while loop. Let's see. Alright, yeah. It's been a while since I worked on JavaScript. So, say while slain is equal to I think there's 3 equals in JavaScript if I remember correctly. We want it to do some stuff. Alright, so we also need, it's saying here to override slain and set it equal to false so we don't have an infinite loop. There we go. Okay, so we don't need to use the triple equals in a while loop. Alright, so while true, reset this to false. Inside your while loop, create an if-else statement that checks the value of you hit. If it's 1 true, it should send blah blah blah. Say else false. It should log a message. Otherwise, slain should be set to false. Okay. So we're gonna say if you hit is equal to 1. We want to do some stuff. Else we want it to do some other stuff, but in both cases slain is equal to false. I'm gonna say puts console.log if I remember correctly. You hit the dragon. Cool. So in our first case scenario, we hit him. We could even put something saying we missed. So it's going to reset that. Go ahead and set total damage to total damage plus damage this round. Do they want us to do that in our? Yeah, they want us to do it in our when we hit. Alright, now we can say total damage is equal to total damage plus damage this round. And let's see here. Then inside your first if statement, create a second if statement. Inside your first if statement, create a second if that checks to see if total damage is greater than or equal to 4. Alright, so if total damage is greater than or equal to 4, you should log the console player slew the dragon. Okay. We'll say console.log, and we'll say that you have slayed the dragon, and that should be good, I believe. Let's see, total damage greater than or equal to 4, you have slayed the dragon. Alright, if total damage isn't greater than or equal to 4, you hit should be assigned to a new random. This is as easy as setting you hit to the same expression as you used in the first one. So let's go and take a look here. So while slain is equal to true, if you hit is equal to 1, console.log, you hit the dragon. Oh, I did my if statements out of order. That makes, I thought something was throwing me off here. Okay. So let's go ahead and we have to switch around a little bit of stuff here. This is our first if statement, so it has to hit before we can slay, but also we need to pull this out or it's going to end the loop, because it doesn't end there, because it could still be alive, so we need to move the slain equal to false inside the total damage. And else we want to, for our first, second if statement, else we're going to reset our new you hit equal to the same thing that we had before. Control C. And it's going to continue running the loop. And we can put a console.log saying something along the lines of GG. Cool. Oh, I think we may have run an infinite loop somehow. That slain is equal to false. May not be what we needed. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and refresh our page here. The good old infinite loops. Oh. I'll put this in a new tab and see what's there. Alright. Here we go. Alright, this is where we're at. Oh, so this is my old code. It's pretty much the same. A little more exciting text here. But let's go ahead and reset this. Actually, we worked all the way through here, so let's just work our way through the code. So if you hit is equal to true, and mind you, we can take out those double equals, meaning if they hit, you want to say you hit the dragon, we want to adjust the total and add it, and then we want to check if the total damage is greater than or equal to 4. If it is, you killed the dragon, we close the loop, and else you say you hit again, and it says whether we missed or not. And then we want to say right here if we got hit, slain is equal to false. So let's go ahead and save and submit. You hit the dragon, you hit the dragon, you killed the dragon. bam. And then a reminder that to use plus equals, but not what I like to do. So a little bit of a fun thing if you wanted to take a little bit of time and write like an old school RPG. I kind of like this one, so I didn't really mind doing it over so much. I know we worked through it pretty quickly, but as always, let's check out the next section, see what's going on here. And I already did this section, but it looks like we're going to be doing a little bit more with control flow, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'm sorry if I breezed through it, but like I said, I couldn't find the video for this. But any questions, comments, concerns, leave them. I love when you guys leave me comments. Please do. I'll see you next video.